everyone, so today I'm going to be doing this heart eyeliner cut crease Valentine's Day look kind of thing. I just want to warn you now, the filming is really bad in this, but I still wanted to upload it because I was so happy with the look. It went really well, and I don't know, I really love this idea as well, so I just wanted to upload it. I'm really sorry, I'm going to try and get better at filming eye looks, but it's quite hard for me with my setup and stuff, so I'm just going to try, but bear with me on that. So I just firstly primed my eyelids with some concealer, but I didn't set it. And then I took the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH and took a love letter and basically packed that on in the crease as like the main colour because I wanted that to be the brightest. And then I took burnt orange and basically just blended that out. And it's a really simple eyeshadow look, but I just kept blending. And then I went back in with more love letter to make it darker and more pinky, and yeah, just make that colour more vibrant again. I then cut my crease like usual, and I have a video on that, so if you want to know how I cut my crease, then go watch that. I then took the Eyeko Black Magic eyeliner. I love this eyeliner so much. This one was actually running out. I should have got my new one out, but I forgot to. I just did a basic normal wing liner with that. And then I messed up a bit, so I actually cleaned it up with some concealer, which I normally do. So yeah, also my eyeliner looks weird because my eye is creased. It doesn't actually have that bit in the middle, if that makes sense. I then took the Suva Beauty Hydra liner in bubblegum, which is just a pink liner. I just took a tiny little eyeliner brush and did some hearts on my liner. I thought it was such a cute little touch to do, and yeah, just took my time with that and did some hearts. I went back in with my eyeliner and cleaned up the hearts a little bit. And then I actually decided to take this LA Splash glitter liner in Pink Sparkle, I think it is. It's the pinkier one. And just did a line of thin glitter liner on the cut crease part. I then took love letter and just blended that out on my lower lash line. Then for highlighter, I took the Moonchild Glow Kit by ABH and used Pink Heart. And then put some mascara and lashes on. I'll leave the information down below, and that is basically everything. As I said, all the products will be down below in the description if you want to know the details of what I used. And yeah, it's pretty simple, but it's also a nice little touch with the hearts and the liner. I think it looks really pretty. So yeah, I'm really sorry again that this tutorial wasn't very good, but I'm going to try my best to get better at it, and yeah, I will really try hard. I just wanted to upload this because I really like how the look turned out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. I'm posting 14 Valentine's Day looks, so if you want to see that, then go follow my Instagram. It's alicekingg makeup. It would mean so much if you could go follow me over there and check out my looks. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!